Are you someone who is in your mid 20s, late 20s, 30s, or maybe more than that, and still you are not able to attract the right life partner in your life? Or are you someone who is struggling to get into a relationship and you have been getting into a wrong relationship very frequently? So, whatever be the relationship related problems, do you think or do you know that you can solve it completely within just couple of weeks through Ho'oponopono practice and through EFT therapy? So let me explain you how this work and how you can actually attract the life partner, the right life partner in your life as faster as possible. So if you are somebody who is falling in these categories, whether in the like relationship related issues or age categories, or whatever could be other reasons because of which you are unable to attract the life partner, I think this is the right video you have come across. So before I go ahead, I just want to let you know that my name is Preeti Singh and I am a certified life coach, relationship coach, and a healer. Uh, so recently, I have been working with a couple of people who are in their like late 30s, and they are also in early 30s, and they have not yet attracted the life partner. They are still waiting for the for the right person to come in their life who they can get married to. And because sometimes there are so many people who are struggling with the prospects not coming, or no relationship related things are happening in their life. Even if they are able to attract somebody in their life, where they are not the right person for them, they are getting going through the cheating, and there are many other reasons through which they are going through relationship challenges in their life. So here there are a few things which I want to tell you. First of all, that if you are somebody who is facing any of these problems, then first thing you have to understand that, see, there could be many reasons, there could be many reasons because of which you are facing this problem. For example, there could be a vastu related problem in your house. There could be astrology related problems in your horoscope, which is like planetary conjunctions, combinations, or what could be, there could be anything. Or there could be some patterns in your life because of which you are attracting the same type of relationship which is not good for you. Or there could be any blockages, any negative energies or negative emotions that is that you are holding, because of which you are unable to attract the a person in your life at all. So let me help you first of all understand. So if you are somebody who, whether you are working or not working, that doesn't matter here. But whether you are a female or you are a male, but if you are somebody who is in a journey of attracting a right life partner, first of all identify that what are your daily routine. For example, what are your daily patterns? So every human being has seven needs in their life. For example, in our body we have seven chakras. Similarly, there are seven needs in our life. The first need is about comfort, or which is we call it as stability, predictability. So if you are somebody who is who are whose the top need is comfort or predictability, then you will, whenever you look for, or whenever you get into a relationship, or whenever you have something like that, you will always look for whether the person is right for you, whether it is not right for you, whether you'll get the stability or not, whether you will have financial security or not. So there will be a lot of questions related to that even before you get into the relationship. The second need is change. Change is like a risk taker, adventurous, and all, and there are many other things. So if you are somebody who is very high on the change need, then you will be changing everything frequently. If you are coming into a relationship, then very easily you will be getting dissatisfied. You will not like the habits of the person, if it continues for 1 week, 10 days or something. You will always look for some kind of adventure, some kind of newness in the relationship every time. And this could be one reason that, because of which you're facing this problem. The third need is love and connection. If you are somebody who is whose top need is love and connection, that I think this can definitely help you. But again, it depends on what are the traits that you have, what are the traits or characteristics that you're looking for in the partner. Are you matching the characteristics, the reasons why you're looking for a partner. Do you have those do you have those qualities, do you have those expertise and other things, so that you can attract the same type of or the desired life partner. The another need, which is about importance. Are you, if you are somebody who is, whose top need is about importance, then you will always be into me, I, me, myself kind of person. You will be so obsessed with yourself that, you know, you will always look for that I'll choose a person only when he will fulfill my needs, or this particular need. Or if I'll choose a person who will behave as per my terms and conditions. So this could be another reason that you're unable to find the right person, or you're either struggling in the relationship. The um, um, another need is called as um, serving and contribution. So if you are somebody who is more on the serving and contribution, then you will always be a kind of person who is a giver. So for example, there are so many people who are too much into giving. So if your topmost need is about serving and contribution, then you have to make sure that whether whatever you're serving, whatever you're contributing, whether in your life and you're trying to serve in the person's life, is it too much or too less, or it is just enough for them. So this could be another reason because of which you are having this relationship related problems, or you are unable to attract the right life partner. The last need is called as nothingness. So nothingness is basically nothing much about this. So it is basically a kind of person, or it is basically a kind of need where you are always in the nothing zone, not doing anything kind of zone. So you are just living the life the way it is coming in front of you. You are not much worried about uh, what relationship is coming your way, what parents are thinking, and all. You are just satisfied with the life you have. There is no questions, there is no thought of delays or anything that is coming in your mind related to the relationship and all. So so you can always think about these needs, and whatever need is on the top, you know, you will because of that particular reason, you are actually facing this problem. So um, so as I told you that you have to basically sequence these needs. For example, if you are a working professional, whether you are a female or a male, if you are a working professional and the top need is, for example, the very top need is growth, and then you have let us say um, um, importance, and after that let us say, or let us say the top four needs would be growth, importance, a change, and love and connection. Then you will be a kind of person who will be, whose focus will be more and more on growing in your life, growing in the career, growing in the money, growing in different ways. And because at the fourth number is your love and connection, so you will not focus more on attracting life partner, because the entire focus or majority of your focus is actually going on giving importance to yourself, making changes for your life, which will help you grow in your career, help you grow in your finances. But love and connection or relationship will always be at a stake for you. It could be there in your life, but somehow you will not be that satisfied in your life, because your top priority is growth. Your top priority is to make sure that you are so successful in your career. So similarly you can and the top four the top four needs will help you assess what is your life pattern. So if you are somebody, as I said in the beginning, that you feel you are facing any kind of problem, whether you are in the relationship also, if you are facing any kind of problem related to your marriage, your relationship, not getting into the relationship, not attracting the right life partner, then you must look into this 6 7 needs of the life, and then you have to sequence it properly. So as a relationship coach, I help individuals so that they can, who are suffering with any kind of relationship related problems, I help them understanding their patterns, understanding their sequence, and there are many other things as well that happens during the session where I work with them. But for now you can understand that from these 7 needs, you can understand what is the top priority, what is it that you are attracting, want to attract in your life. You have to balance it accordingly. So these are if you know very well that in our phone number we have 10 digits, and I cannot have the same sequence of the number for me, and I cannot dial the same number, I can expect somebody else to respond my call. Similarly, you cannot have the same type of sequence, and you can, attract some, desire for some different result. So this is how this seven needs of the life works. So, so when I work with these clients, and 1 week of time, the first week they are able to identify their life pattern, their thoughts, their beliefs, and how the sequence of their life has been in this moment. And I work with them very closely. Then from second week itself, they start making some changes in their lifestyle, in their routine, in their way of behaving, and the expectations what they have from the life partner, and many other things. And this is how the journey continues during the sessions. And the person, most of the people have attracted their life partner within less than 3 months of time, if they are, at the age, or uh, um, in a particular situation, because of which they are unable to attract their life partner. So if you are somebody who is going through any kind of relationship related problem, or if you are unable to attract the right person, or if you're not getting any prospects for the marriage, then this is the video I think you should look for. You should balance, you should sequence your seven needs. And if you still need any further help, support, or something, you can always contact me. I will help you the best possible ways, and I can assure you that by making some little changes in your life and your thought process, beliefs, and actions, you can easily attract the right life partner. So this is all in this video for today. I'll see you with the next in the next video, some other topic. And in the meantime, be happy, feel good, and keep yourself satisfied, keep yourself protected, be positive. And once again, my name is Preeti Singh. I'm a certified life coach, a relationship coach, and a healer. So to contact me, I'll put my contact details in the description box, and I will try to mention a couple of other things as well, that what are the modalities, or what are the techniques basically I use, so that you can get some idea. And then you can, if you feel you want to talk, you need to talk to me, or you need to contact me, you can always do that. In the meantime, thank you so much.